Good morning, everybody. How are you? It has been some days that I have never been in touch with you for certain reasons that you know. Uh, Today I'm going to explore and make a survey of Unit 13, which is entitled Present Perfect or Past Simple. In this unit, we are going to what? To talk about the difference between the past simple and present perfect, where to use the present perfect, where to use what? The past simple. That means what? There are certain situations and contexts in which we have difficulty using the two tenses because they have similar meaning and they have what? Interrelation. Okay, study these or this example situation. Tom is looking for his key. He cannot find it, so he has lost his key. So you can see in picture number one, uh, Tom is what? Is looking for something. He is looking for his key, and because he has already lost it, it means that losing the key, an action that happened in the past, but now it has a relation to the present because because he lost the key and now what he is looking for it. So that means when we are talking about an action that happened in the past and has a relation to the present situation, we use the present perfect. So that means that he doesn't have his key now. So with verb like lost or missed, we have what? We have the present perfect because there is a relation or there is an effect. Let's go to another example. After that, after an hour of losing the key, Tom or 10 minutes later, Tom what? Has found his key. So since he has found his key, what? He has it now. So has he lost his key? No, he hasn't found it. Did he lose? So when we lose something, when we lost something and we found it, so there is nothing or there is no necessity for using the present perfect. Because what? Because the action has no relation. يعني المثال الأول إنه فقد المفاتيح، بالتالي شنو؟ ما وجد مفاتيح، فإذا حدث فقدان المفاتيح إلى فد علاقة بالوقت الحاضر. أوكي؟ لكن بالمثال الآخر أنه فقد مفاتيح ولقاهم، من لقى المفاتيح بعد الحدث هنا ما له علاقة بالوقت الحاضر لأنه الحدث انتهى بعد فقدان المفاتيح، انتهى باعتبار هو وجد مفاتيح. Okay. The present perfect has happened is a present tense. It tells about the situation now. So although since it is a present perfect, that means does it happen in the past and ended, or it happens in the past and it is still present. So since it is a present perfect, so that means the action is immediate and present now. Okay. The past simple with verb ed tells about something in the past. So if somebody say Tom lost his key, that means in the past and the action ended and now he has the key. Compare the present perfect and past simple. He have gone away. They will be back on Friday. They are away now. Okay, they have gone away means what? They leave or they left and they are traveling to that place. But they went away, it means what? It means they went or they go to that place and now they return. يعني بالمضارع التام انه بنقول go يعني ذهب بعدما عاد، لكن بالwent انه ذهب وعاد والآن هو موجود. Okay. It has stopped raining now. It means what? It has been raining from the past to the present situation and still make what? يعني still it is raining or still the what? The ground is wet. So we don't need an umbrella. It is not raining now. So that means the action happened in the past up to this moment. When I say it has stopped raining, it means now it is not raining. It stopped raining for a while, but now it is raining again. So notice that stopped raining before a long period of the time in the past, maybe 1 week, maybe 2 days, maybe one night. So the action is not related to the present situation. But in the first example, it has rained, or it has stopped rained. Now it has been raining before short a period of time from now, maybe before 1 hour, but now it is not raining. We use the present perfect for recent happening. I have prepared the washing machine. So suppose that you were working in your house, and you tell your wife that I have prepared the washing machine. So it means what? Something recent or new. This is the difference between the past perfect and present, past simple and present perfect. And I cannot give more explanation or detail, because I want you to understand the topic, and I would like to present it easily and accurately. Now let's go to the slide share. The past simple refers to an action or situation that is finished. This is, present perfect connects the past and the present. It is used to show that action or situation in the past. Okay. Sarah lived in Boston for 5 years. So before a long period of time, Sarah has lived in Boston 5 years. In the first sentence, that it has lived in Boston, and now we don't know where she lived now. Before a long period of time, maybe before 20 years. But in the second sentence, we use the present perfect because she lived from 5 years in the past up to the present situation. Maybe she is living now in Boston. Okay. By using the past simple, we mean that Sarah started living in 5 years ago. But then she moved, or she went to another place. But now she lives in a different city. The simple past is used for a situation that is over, finished. So she lived in the past, and we don't know where she is now. But she lives in Boston, meaning what? Using the present perfect, we mean that Sarah began living in Boston before 5 years. Suppose that we are now in 2020. When we say she lived in Boston 5 years ago, that means she lived in Boston 2000 or 2015 or 16. So it is very simple, that's the difference between present perfect and past simple. Okay. See, we use the present perfect to give information. This is already and this is the main difference between past simple and present perfect. And I would like you to do what the exercise and set me on Telegram or Classroom, whatever you like. Hoping you the best. And please, if you have any question, text me or give me a hint that you didn't understand the topic, please.